Today is an exciting day. I'm installing these AUXITO LED headlights and also some dome lights in my second generation Nissan Xterra. The white glove service. Alright, so here's the difference between the passenger side and the driver side. Wow, these are bright. Today is an exciting day. I'm installing these AUXITO LED headlights and also some dome lights in my second generation Nissan Xterra. Thank you for sponsoring this video, AUXITO. I appreciate, and your product seems very high quality. I'm very pleased with it. All right, here's the light output with the original bulbs on the Xterra. High beam, low beam. View from the cabin, original lights, low beam, high beam. Let's see what the new AUXITO lights would look like. Okay, AUXITO was kind enough to send us some LED bulbs. So we're gonna check it out. All right, these are the dome lights. Wow, there's actually 4 of them. So a couple of them can be used as a map lights and dome lights. So we'll check it out in a minute. All right, these are the headlights. The white glove service. So these are nice. Supposed to wear these in order to keep the bulbs safe. They've got a product manual here in English. Very nicely laid out. Talks about different types of bulbs. First, we're using a 9007 for the Xterra, but it has all kinds of directions here. Talks about the warranty, stuff like that. And here are the actual lights. These are pretty hefty. They're pretty heavy feeling. Okay. Okay, these gloves are like extra small. And they don't particularly fit well over the existing gloves, but we'll make it work. That's a nice feature to have some white gloves. And now we can handle these with ease. So for the Xterra, the way you would install this is you have this notch here that goes to the top, then you have the notch over on this one compared to the old bulb. That's what they look like, and they do match up. As far as the depth goes, they are exactly the same, so it should fit no problem. What you do is you put the locking ring back behind it, connect the light, install, and then turn clockwise. Okay, here's the driver's side. To remove the bulb, you just have to press this tab over here and then pull right back. Okay, then you remove the ring like this. And then you remove the bulb. So here we are, coming at it hot. So you grab the ring and you turn it clockwise. Now it's locked, so the light is secure. And now clip that on. Voila, the light's installed. All right. right, let's check out how bright these are. Wow, that is bright. Holy cow. So when you look, kind of a very pure white, of course, with this head lens being so, with this headlight lens being so hammered, you can't see, but when you compare it to the yellow incandescent bulb up here, kind of a big difference. Okay, come back to this one again. Wow, that is crazy bright. All right, so here's the difference between the passenger side and the driver's side. Wow. Wow. The driver's side, you can see, is shooting way out there. The passenger side, there's barely any output. Here's the view from the cabin. The passenger side is weak, and the driver's side is, wow, pretty bright. Okay, so this one might take a little bit more finagling because of the battery, and you could remove the battery, of course, and that would be the easiest access to it, but we don't like to do things the easy way. So with this one, you press the screwdriver here, give it a pull, and the bulb is out, or at least the harness is disconnected. And then what you do is you rotate the ring counterclockwise and remove the original incandescent bulb along with the ring. A little tight here, but here's the bulb. Okay, our bulb is ready to come in. So again, we have it oriented in this position, so it's going to come in. So both beams are facing sideways, not up and down, otherwise it will be blinding the oncoming traffic. So this is the way it's getting installed. It's a bit tight in here. Just gonna come on, turn around. Get the bulb positioned. Grab the lock ring. Okay, turn it counterclockwise. It is locked now. And then we take the harness, plug it in. Wow, this installation is so easy, guys. It literally takes less than 2 minutes to get it done. This is low beam. This is high beam. All right, now both of them are installed. Wow, that is bright. That is awesome. And you can't see it on the video, but these have a nice bright white with a little blue hue. And these puppies are bright. Oh yeah. High beam, low beam, these are awesome. With my front ones upgraded with the headlights, I'm going to see if AUXITO carries any of the replacements, LED replacement for these incandescent taillights, mainly for my backup light and possibly for the license plate lights. I'll reach out to them and see what they say. Thank you for sponsoring this video, AUXITO. I appreciate it, and your product seems very high quality. I'm very pleased with it. Okay, so AUXITO sent me 4 of the LED bulbs. So this is the one I took out, and we're going to replace it with one of these. So 2 for the map lights, 1 for the dome in the middle, and 1 for the dome over the trunk area. What the lights look like now, the map lights. This one's out completely, then I have some off-brand in the back. So let's replace these dome lights from the stock halogen to LEDs by AUXITO. These are bright. All right, and finally we're gonna do the map lights. Out with the old, in with the new. There we go, it's making good contact. That is bright. Wow. Okay. So now, as we do this, we can see the difference between the two. Huge difference. Okay. Now onto this one. There we go. And then just pull on one of these tabs and this guy's gonna fall off. And now we're just gonna install the new one. Facing the right way. That's gonna be bright. So. Install them back. And here we are. AUXITO, you guys are the bomb. These LEDs are awesome. Okay, our installation of the AUXITO interior lights, LED lights, is complete. These are super bright. I am very, very happy with them. So AUXITO, thank you for sending those my way. That is looking phenomenal. I highly recommend it, guys. If you have a 2005 through 2014 Xterra, if you have a Frontier or Pathfinder of that era, please don't hesitate to get those. Guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to leave a link to these in the description box below. Please check them out. And thank you for watching this video. Yet another project is complete on the Xterra. So please subscribe and we'll see you on the next one.